Hello everyone, I've got a very special recipe for you guys today. A childhood favourite, the famous butterscotch tart. I'm pretty sure most schools did these, but you could never find them in supermarkets and restaurants, which was ever so annoying. So I've been trying my own recipe at home and it tastes incredible. I'm going to show you the ingredients, but in a little different style today. So it's pretty empty here today, which is absolutely amazing. I'm going to pick up some light brown sugar in 500 grams. And some plain flour. We only need 2 spoons of this, and then get 2 tart bases which are already made, and then some light custard or some whipped cream, whichever you want. I picked up both, and 250 grams of butter, and not forgetting the milk. So let's get on with the cooking. I've got my 2 bases ready. I'm going to start off by putting the butter in the pan. And give that a good mix and let the butter melt. We're now going to add the light brown sugar, the whole 500 grams, and give that a very good mix. Now I'll be adding 190 ml of full fat milk. Give that a good mix. And then sieve in 2 heaped tablespoons of plain flour. Now make sure you mix it with a whisk, just to make sure the flour doesn't form chunks. Give that a very good mix. I did add in the electric whisk to make the texture a bit thicker, and it was much quicker as well. Now I've gone back in with the whisk to make sure the texture is thick. It doesn't need to be super thick because it will thicken up once you put it into the fridge. So I'm going to transfer the mixture onto the 2 bases now. Now let them to cool down, and once they've cooled down enough, take some foil and put it over it before you put it in the fridge. It's best to let it sit overnight, guys, but if you did prepare it in the morning, then it should be ready by the evening. So I've just taken it out of the fridge now, guys, and it is ready to be cut. I'm going to cut a nice big slice for myself. I've chosen to drizzle it with custard, one of my personal faves. I'm going to dig right in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time.